Okay, now this video already we done for page layout data for previous video. Now we'll final basic Excel. We like to learn review and view, review and view, review and view. Month you have complete transaction max 5 non-ICICI bank account October visit limit. Raji, చూడు దాన్ని have complete transaction for account 154 non-ICICI. 1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute. 1 minute. I got some message. 1 minute. Okay. 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 This videos like we like to go for two things. Yeah, two things. And final structure first is a review. Okay. Review means what do you say? Before taking the printout, have a look the spelling mistake or grammar mistake, or if any technical the sentence content makers. Shortcut is a content maker. While making any report or while making any calculations, to check whether that all the data will be proper sentence formatting or proper spelling and proper grammatical spelling and everything. The complete grammar's mistake, if you done anything from Excel, those things you can troubleshoot from this menu. That is called review, we called us. And this every time, if not even making a report, anything, any work done from Excel, finally we come back to the review and have a check everything. But everything, once everything done over only, got over only, you will get it, you'll go back to the take printout. That is a common structure we have it. But now simple, I'm writing some name like some something like this. I did it. I spellings, click on, look at, I got do you want to, they asking like whether, because now I'm fourth sheet, but they're asking whether you want to start from the beginning or not. From the beginning, in a sense, can I start from the sheet 1 or sheet 2 or sheet 3 or sheet 4, like this. If you click on no, it will taking only sheet 4 only. If yes mean, it will take from every sheet. Okay, now this sheet 4 only we have some data. That's a Bala, Bali, Bali, Bal, Palsa, Bola, Brawler, something. Or if you want to change, ignore once, click ignore once. Or if you want to change, you can change also. This correct, Balas are correct only. That's why I'm going to ignore one. SD. Yes, want SD is capital, I want it. Now click on this one and change. Now become that small SD, they change as a capital SD. And now ERT. This art, yes, will change. YU, yes, we change. TYU, but this is a tie, tux, change. After once you done everything, you will get one message like the spelling check is complete for the entire sheet. That means like until then you should wait for every sheet whether they have any grammar mistake or spelling mistake, we have to check. Yes, once you done everything, you should click OK, then come back to that. Yeah, that is called as a spell. Yes, yes, that is called as a spell, and you should check. Yeah, okay, fine, fine. No problem, no problem, no problem. Next is a research. Research means like look like Google only, but not exact Google. This is some kind of pocket dictionary. Some kind of pocket dictionary. Like as soon as click on the research, it will come this one screen here, and here type something. Suppose I want to know about company details. What is the meaning of company? I want to know. Click on the company, click go button. Now it will show 1 minute. Now it will show what are the company meanings. It will show different this vocabularies and other thing. Company mean business and state of being together. a group, companies, particular type of company, like that. This is different meaningful the search. But if you feel more flexible to checking from the Google, you can do it. Otherwise, checking from here, from the sheet, you can do the sheet also, depend on you. Yes, yes, you are sharing. Yes, 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 that is a depend on you, ma'am. That's not like always a research. You can go for Google also, you can go for normal research also, you can go ahead, depend on you. Yes, 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 yes. And next, thrust translate this all the something like to translating between Spanish, I mean other language, into Indian language, like Japanese into English, or English into Japanese, and Spanish, something like that, and Arabic, so many other things. But this is not record for here, but if you want, you can do other things. Ah, yes. Now new command. Hmm? Hmm. That is an translate means that is other languages, ma'am. Yeah, other language to this any other language we translating. You want some meaning like that, you can use it. New command, that is very important for under review. New command. But for example, I want to write here Wipro, and here Infosys, and Capgemini, like this. I want tell about something about Wipro. Mean click on Wipro, new commands. It will come one dialog box. Here we are writing some message, whatever you want it. Again, tell about click on this Capgemini and click on the new command, writing something. And Infosys, uh, fine. Once you done it, the scenario, again I'm click on that Wipro, ma'am. Anything, whatever you wanted. Yes. Now just click on next. Yes. Next, click on the previous. Going like this. Uh, Now next. Yeah. It will moving like that. One command to other command. How it will want to move, you can move directly. Yeah. Yes. 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 Now that there's some system hanging only, I thought will finish. Simply is coming. Now just click next. It will go the next. Look at here, it will go in next. Again, if we click on the previous, click on the previous, it will go to the previous, like we don't want delete. So we don't want click on this and delete. Also, you can delete it. Yeah, okay. That is like we can delete, and if we go back to the forward, like forward, previous, and next, and edit. If you want to some click on edit, it will edit the content. Whatever content you want, you can edit it. Yes. Now we have the product share book is a networking related thing that is not time being one discussed. Product workbook, product sheet. This means how to set the password. Okay, I think my first video I'll kept how to set password. Just searching from the Google Balasudhagar training video, basic Excel part 1. From there I'll clearly explain to you how to set password, the whole workbook actually. Okay. Next is finally we like to go for view and click on view. This mean how you want to look like. Now this is a normal. This is normal. Again we have the page layouts. This is how you want to make the front end screen. You can work out it. I think my system getting some problem. We have to restart, but restart again. Okay. Yes, 1 minute. It will get ready. 1 minute. Look at page layout mean it will come like one page, second page, third page. Again, break, full screen, ruler. That is a measurement. If you don't want ruler and grid line formula for heading, just untick and take the printout. They won't show formula, the top formula bar. They won't show the ABC. They won't show the ruler, and they won't show the grid, blank only. Zoom, zoom, how to do the zoom, and by default 100 only. Selection, zoom, select the area and zoom it. New window, how to open one more duplicate Excel screen. And arrange all mean how to open all the screen at a time. Arrange all, how to open all that at a time you can do. Remaining have been non necessary. Macros already done for advanced formulas. We done macros. You check, I think advanced Excel video I'll done it. Okay, that is the basic point of view, like the home, insert, page layout. These three is important, and a certain formula like we necessary to know addition, subtraction. That means sum, average, product, and some you certain things. And formula we must know, but as a basic level. Apart from that, everything will be same scenario. You can work out it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, subscribe the video and leave your comments. Thank you so much.